Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I welcome all of you to your next class. Congratulations on your promotion from class 5 to 6. Uh, Before starting English course I'm your English teacher. My name is Mr. Ozair Ahmad and we will learn English together in class 6. As a first step, I would like to introduce the book which we will be studying in this term. If you see, this is the title page of your book, Better English Literacy Skills, Grade 6. We are going to read this book, study this book, learn all the activities given in the book in this term. So, what is the plan of the book? How this book to be dealt with? Looking to this page, this is the first page, this is the content page of the book. Okay. And if you look, for example, this is unit number 1. Okay. Unit number 1. So the name of the unit number 1 is Pikka Pikka. Now the exercise of every unit is divided into 4 stages, okay, or 4 categories. So I will explain them one by one. This is after reading the text, this is the first page of exercise and the name to this exercise is given activities. You can see this name here, okay. This is activities. This is the first page on which certain activities, comprehension questions, like we say question answers are given there. Then moving to the second page, this is called word study. Okay, can you see this this top of the page, word study? So multiple exercises of the unit from the unit are taken, and there are some other exercises related to the word structure. Then there is number 3, it is the grammar portion. Okay, if you see here, it is the grammar. Okay, so this is the third exercise of this unit, and this is the fourth one now. After the grammar, there is checkup. Okay, look to checkup. This checkup is a type of test. Okay, if you have understood each and every step of the unit. For example, if you have understood the text, if you have understood the activities page, if you have understood the grammar page, if you have understood the last page, which is word study, so you will be able to solve this page yourself. Okay, so this is the last part of the exercise. Now this pattern of exercises is followed throughout the book. Okay, first you will read the text, then there will be activities, then there will be word study, there will be grammar, and there will be checkup. This pattern of exercise is followed in all the units of this book. So inshallah, if we are used to this pattern, we will be able to understand it and we will be able to learn from it. Just an extra information uh, in this intro is that the first, like this part of the exercise, activities, this will be included in English A. This part, word study, will also be included in English A. This part, grammar, will be included in English B, and this part, checkup, will be included in English A. Okay, So this is the way the book is prepared, and inshallah by the end of the term we will learn a lot of things from this book. Thank you.